Hey guys, how are you doing? Today we are deep drilling a lawn to improve the drainage. We're doing this on a new build property and the ground is just clay. It's absolutely horrible. So what we're doing today, we're going to be getting some drill bits and we're going to be drilling some holes as deep as we can go into the clay to try and improve the drainage. So we've got this regular auger, it's called a bulb planting bit and it goes in normal battery guns. Now I've tried this at home, in my house it's soil and it goes in pretty well, so this will be the first test on clay. So we've got this one and I picked up this bad boy which is considerably wider, and this one I purchased from Screwfix, the others were off Amazon. So this is off Screwfix. This one goes in really easily into soil, in fact they all do, but the wider they are it's a bit more sort of moving around. Lots of stones. We'll just try another one a bit further away. All it wants to do is dig in, because this is just pure sticky clay. It's got some bite. That looks like hardcore down there, and I'd say well, that one's about 6 inches depth, so we'll see how many we can do like that. quite a bit of mess there, so we've got some options. Just taking this bucket and we're cutting out a hole. May have to go bigger for that one. The idea is, you've got your hole in your bucket, keep your bucket there, what's happening? Not that coming off. What happens is all the clay gets then deposited in the bucket, so it's not laying on the lawn. Look at this for a proper coffee, look. Little coffee maker. Beautiful, fresh coffee. Right, so it's we've got a bit of a flow going now. There's about 6 or 8 inch of soil, and then it's pretty much hardcore and rock underneath. So we're doing fairly even coverage. So you can just have a look. But it's not too bad. The trouble is, once it gets into the thick stuff or a stone, it bites and it tries to spin everything round. So you've got to keep going down, lifting up to eject. And it's pretty good. It all comes back up inside the bucket, but some will fall down the hole. So when you lift the bucket up, just put your hand in the hole to keep it to the sides. So it's a fairly clean finish. Nice bit. So I'm just going to reverse it back a bit. You don't want to get too far. Just little bits down and then pull out. Put my hand in the hole, look. Good. So we'll put the chest strap on and you can have a watch. See, now it's stuck. So we've got to reverse it, back out. So basically just go down a little bit and then pull it out. Just sort of bump in it. You can hear there the hardcore at the bottom, the noise. That's okay, look, ready? There. So that's our limit. Put your hand in there. But yeah, I mean, you can see the size of the hole. Point there, probably about 8 to 9 inch. just want to show you what we're dealing with here. Now I found a leather jacket, although she did put some turf solve down, which has eased things considerably around here where there was quite a few. Anyway, look at the clay. Just look at them big thick lumps of clay there. That is what we're up against, and it's just absolutely rock hard. So you've got to saturate it first before we're drilling. And next door's, it's obviously heavy clay. So I'm just waiting for the drill batteries charge up. That's going to need a bit longer there, and then we can finish off these holes. But while that's happening, we're giving that one a good soaking so it softens up the clay, and I'm going to do the scarifying on that, getting that ready, give the batteries a chance. So now we want to fill these holes. So it was all clay before, so whatever we put in there is going to be an improvement. Even if we just put some soil in, we've got better drainage and better quality product in the ground. I'm going to do a mixture of compost and soil. There's compost, some organic material, and that will encourage the earthworms, and the earthworms will gradually move into the clay and improve things over time. So the holes aren't actually that deep, sadly. Just put a handful of compost in, firm that down. Probably quicker just to put it in by hand, to be honest. I want some topsoil. That's it. Just make your way along. Fill these holes. The compost. So that's it, holes filled in. And that's just the usual overseeding and top dressing at this point. So we'll get some seed down and just get it all raked in, roll it in, and job done. So that is the finished result. We've scarified, we've put dozens of deep holes, 6 to 10 inch in places across the lawn, about 1.5 inches wide, and we're filled with a mixture of topsoil and compost, and then we've overseeded and top dressed, rolled it in, put a wetting agent on, and a bit of water in. So watch this space. That's the second lawn done. We're just going to put a wetting agent on, get it watered in, and that's it.